Yo, what's up, YouTube? Coming back at you guys once again. It's Mafia Pete. Gonna go down to the Lower Salt River. We're gonna catch, man, some more trout for you. We're gonna try some different baits today. We got mealworms, bro. All right, let's try mealworms today, and then we'll go from there, man. Catch you guys up a little bit so I can show you guys how I get pumped and ready for fishing.
Myself.
Getting ready, bro. Getting ready. Better go get the fucking trout. Y'all better be ready for this. Gotta have a car nice and washed. Can't be just catching the fish out there, bro. You gotta be looking like the boss too, bro. You gotta boss it up, homie. Car nice and clean. Woo! That's how we do. Woo! Alright guys, just stopped by, man. Had to stop by get my coffee. Yo, always stop by Burger King. You know what I mean? Ain't being sponsored, but man, this is my favorite type of coffee. I don't like waiting in line. And you want to get a good coffee, man, you stop by Burger King. Alright, bro. So our next stop is going to be... let me see, I got my baits. We're just going to try the mealworms. So I'm not even going to stop by and try to check you guys out in a bit. Alright guys, man, it's Pistol Pete with you out here at the Lower Salt River. This is a little bit of the surrounding area. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we're out here gonna try to catch trout out in the summer. What do you think about that, huh? What do you think about that, boy? Trying to catch trout out in the summer. Think I'm crazy? You're crazy. Alright, so what I'm gonna do today is show you guys a couple of my spots and see what you guys think. So all you people that know the Lower Salt River, tip my hats out to you because you guys are out here trying to look for the trout. And the way I found out that there was trout out here, I was mowing an elderly man's lawn, and he asked me if I love fishing. I was like, boy, do I love fishing? Shit, you know I love fishing. Shit, wow, what's up? And he's like, man, well, I'm about to give you all my fishing holes. And I was like, all right, cool. I'll try one. So I tried one, and what? This boy told me where to catch fish out in the Lower Salt River. So now what I'm gonna do, since they showed me, I'm gonna show you on how to catch these trout just with some simple fishing rods. You know what I mean? Something simple. And because I got a big family and I'm married, so my wife don't let me spend so much crazy ass money on this. So all right, when we get to the spot, I'll fill you guys back in. Alright, hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna try to catch some trout today using my 3-way swivel, and I have a small weight at the end, size 10 aught hook, and I am using a mealworm. See that? We're gonna try to see if we can catch some trout right here. All right, check it out. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, guys, check it out, man. You guys heard the people around. They're loving it. Check it out. Nice little trout. Sorry for the mishandling for all you people out there. I am going to eat this trout right here. Trying to get some meat for the family. Well, it's going to be a perfect pan-sized trout right here. And give it a little kiss for all the people out there. What do you guys think? Should we try another one? Let's try another bait. That was a mealworm. I think we should... what do you guys think we should try? I got power eggs, or we should put on a ooh, I got a new bait. I have shrimp. Let's try shrimp. How about that? All right, I'm about to put some shrimp on, get this guy taken care of. Get the trout taken care of off camera real quick, and I'm gonna put the next bait on and try to catch some more. Once again, I want to thank the wife for sponsoring this video. 2 thumbs up for her. Please leave a like and subscribe, and show me that I should be out here. You know what I mean? I want to see some interaction so I could keep on adding more content, and that's how you guys keep me pumped, and that's how I show my wife I could keep on fishing, man. You got to keep on showing. Woo. All right, so I'll be right back with the next part 2.